Hey guys, today I will show you how to clear the cache for the MetaMask browser on both iPhone and Android devices. So first what you need to do is open the MetaMask app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play for Android. Once the app is open, enter your password carefully and tap Unlock to access your wallet. Now that you're inside the app, head over to the settings menu. You'll find it in the lower right hand corner shown as a gear icon. Tap on it and from the list of options, choose Security and Privacy. Inside this section, you'll find different tools to keep your app running smoothly and securely. Scroll down and you'll see several options related to clearing your cache. The first one is Clear Privacy Data, which removes unnecessary stored information and helps improve performance while protecting your details. Next, you can clear your browsing history. This will erase the record of sites you've visited within MetaMask, reducing any digital traces and making the app run faster. Finally, there's the option to clear browser cookies. Cookies can build up over time and cause slowdowns or errors, so removing them ensures a cleaner and more efficient browsing experience. Once you've gone through these options, your MetaMask browser will be refreshed, giving you better performance and improved privacy. It's a quick and effective way to keep your app in top shape. Thanks for watching.